All right, I'm on page P55 in the homework. Let's get started. Number 3, the table shows changes in savings accounts of, and this should be 4 students. Which student had the greatest increase in money, and by how much did the student's account increase? So we only have 4 students. So Brett lost 12, Destiny lost $36, Carissa gained $15, and Rylan gained $10. So it's pretty easy to see that Carissa gained the most. That was our first question. Who had the greatest increase? That's Carissa. And by how much? Carissa, Carissa gained $15. So that answers both part. Who had the greatest increase? Carissa, and by how much? She gained $15. Okay, I'm just going to go over a couple of these. We're comparing, so we're using less than, greater than, or equal to. Negative 16, there's no absolute value sign, so negative 16 is simply negative 16. Now, this side has absolute value. So when it has absolute value, it's saying, I don't want to know how far to the left negative 16 is. I just want to know how far away from 0 negative 16 is. And negative 16 is 16 units away from 0. It just happens to be to the left of 0. But when you use the absolute value sign, that's saying, hey, I don't care if it's to the left or the right. I just want to know how many units away from 0 it is. So that would be 16 units away from 0, which would make negative 16 less than positive 16. Okay, let's jump to another example. I'm going to do number 9 down here. Again, this has absolute value sign. So how far away from 0 is negative 9? It's 9 units away from 0. This side has an absolute value sign, so it's just saying, hey, positive 9, how far away from 0 is it? 9 is 9 units away from 0. So the absolute value of negative 9 is 9. The absolute value of 9 is 9. So those two are equivalent. All right, let's jump down to 10. Miguel's bank account balance was negative $55 on Wednesday. On Thursday, his balance was less than that. Use absolute value to describe Miguel's balance on Thursday as a debt. So in this particular situation, negative 55 represents a debt of $55. That's how much he owes. On Thursday, Miguel had a debt of, and it says his balance was less than that. So if he has less money than that, he owes more money. He owes more than $55. Okay, number 11. During a game, Naomi lost points. She lost fewer than 3 points. Use an integer to describe her possible score. Well, if she didn't lose 3, she lost less than that. She must have lost either 2 or 1. Now, can you lose 0 points? No. 0 wouldn't represent a gain or a loss. So these two are the only possible answers. Okay. Or we can, I guess they're implying we can use absolute value here as well. So she lost 3 points, so negative 2 and negative 1. She can lose 2 or 1 point. Okay. So again, these are our answers. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.